Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make trout cakes. First, ensure you have about 1 pound of cooked trout, either fresh or canned. You'll also need 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Fresh dill or parsley, about 2 tablespoons, will add a wonderful aroma and taste. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Once your ingredients are ready, gently combine the flaked trout, breadcrumbs, egg, mayonnaise, and seasonings in a large bowl. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cakes tough. The goal is a cohesive but still flaky texture. Now, shape the mixture into 8 to 10 patties, each about 1 inch thick and 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Uniform size ensures even cooking, giving you perfectly golden brown trout cakes every time. You have a couple of great options for cooking your trout cakes. For a crispy exterior, pan-fry them in a skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. If you prefer baking, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Both methods yield delicious results. Your delicious trout cakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a fresh lemon wedge to brighten the flavors. A classic tartar sauce or a zesty homemade aioli makes an excellent accompaniment. For a complete meal, pair them with a crisp green salad, some steamed asparagus, or roasted seasonal vegetables. These versatile cakes are wonderful as a light lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even a delightful appetizer for your next gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.